Hey guys, Steph the Illuminated Nerd here. Today we're going to be looking at installing an IKEA OLOV leg, which is an adjustable height leg, so that you can add support beams to your custom built desks of varying heights. So let's get right into it. So after flipping my desk over, the first thing that I want to do is find the center of my desk, but also keeping in mind the center of my current capital legs so that I can mount the mounting plates for the IKEA OLOV legs roughly in the same location as the center of the IKEA capital legs. I want to put two OLOV legs in the rear of the desk, evenly spaced about 12 inches from the center. So by drawing these sort of pilot lines, I've been able to find the center of the desk at the 49-inch mark. And as you can see here, I then I was able to measure a line on either side, 12 inches apart, so that now I know exactly where those mounting points are going to be for those OLOV brackets. So I figure the center by measuring the width of those two lines, and now I know exactly where the center of the OLOV mounting bracket goes by using those simple pilot lines. And that's just done with pencil, so we can erase that, or you can also use a cloth and it'll come off pretty easily. So then we just drill in our mounting plate in place. And then last but not least, you just screw in that bolt at the bottom of the OLOV leg into that center hole on the mounting bracket, and that's it. That's pretty simple. I'm going to repeat the install on the second leg as per the location we found for it, and then I'll show you how to adjust the legs. So of course we now need to flip the desk. I do suggest this be a two-man job if you have as heavy of a countertop as I do as the Halistad, the 98-inch one. So once you flip your desktop over, I attach this using the Velcros from the base of my capital legs. You can then just simply twist the legs from the. There you go. You can just twist the legs and then you just retighten them in position at the base. So there you have it, guys. If you have a custom built desk where the height isn't the standard height of most desks and you need to add a support leg, give the IKEA OLOV leg a try, and I'll see you guys in the next one.